Hello friends. Welcome back to BBB's 5-Minute English. I'm Luis.
And I'm Emmy. It is a beautiful day today, Luis. The sun is shining, and the park looks lovely.
Yes, it does. But Emmy, looking at the park makes me hungry.
Hungry? Why? We just had lunch.
I know, but I see all the green trees and grass, and I think about salads. Or maybe a burger with lettuce. I need energy.
Luis, you are always hungry. Laughs, but you said an important word, energy. Today, we are going to talk about how plants get their energy.
That is a good topic. Humans eat food, like pizza or apples, to get energy. But plants, they don't have mouths. They cannot walk to the supermarket.
Exactly. Have you ever seen a tree eating a sandwich?
No, never. That would be very strange.
So, today's question is, how do plants eat? And why are they green?
I think they eat dirt, right? Their roots are in the ground.
Well, they do drink water and get vitamins from the dirt, soil. But their main food is actually sunlight.
Sunlight? You mean light from the sun? They eat light?
Yes. Imagine if you could stand outside in the sun and suddenly feel full. You wouldn't need to eat burgers anymore.
That sounds like a superpower. How do they do it?
It is a superpower. It has a big scientific name, photosynthesis. Can you try to say it?
Photosynthesis. That is a long word.
It is. But the meaning is simple. Photo means light. Synthesis means to make something. So, plants use light to make food.
Okay, so the plant is like a kitchen?
Yes. The leaves are the kitchen. Here is the recipe. Ingredient 1, water. The roots drink rain from the ground. Ingredient 2, air. Specifically, a gas called CO2. Ingredient 3, sunlight.
So, water plus air plus sunlight equals food?
Correct. When these things mix together in the leaf, they turn into sugar. The plant eats this sugar to grow tall and strong.
Sugar. So trees are full of sugar. That is sweet. But Emmy, why are they green? Why not blue or pink?
Good question. Inside the leaves, there is a special chemical. It is like a chef that cooks the food. This chef's name is chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll. Okay. And is chlorophyll green?
Yes. This chemical loves to catch red light and blue light from the sun. But it does not like green light. It reflects the green light away.
So when we look at a tree, we see the green light bouncing off the leaves?
Exactly. The plant is saying, I don't want this green color, you can have it.
That is fascinating. So, plants are green because of the chef inside them.
Yes. And there is one more amazing thing, Luis. When plants make their food, they make something else by accident. They release oxygen.
Oxygen? That is what we breathe.
Yes. We breathe in oxygen, and we breathe out CO2. Plants breathe in CO2, and breathe out oxygen.
Wow. So we are partners. We help plants, and plants help us.
That is why forests are so important. They are the lungs of the earth. Without plants, we couldn't breathe.
I have a new respect for salad now. Plants are working hard to keep us alive.
They sure are. Now, let's ask our listeners about their own plants. Question of the day, do you have plants in your house? A. Yes, I have many plants. I have a green thumb. B. I have one or two, but they are dying. C. No, I prefer plastic plants.
I am definitely B. I try, but I always forget to give them water.
Oh no. Remember, they need water for their recipe. Okay, let's learn 3 useful words from today's episode.
Ready. The words are roots, oxygen, and survive.
The first word is roots. These are the parts of the plant that are under the ground. Example 1, the roots drink water from the soil. Example 2, big trees have very strong and deep roots.
The second word is oxygen. It is the gas we need to live. Example 1, we cannot see oxygen, but we breathe it every second. Example 2, there is less oxygen on top of high mountains.
And the last word is survive. It means to stay alive. Example 1, plants need sunlight to survive. Example 2, humans cannot survive without water for long.
Great words. So remember, friends, be nice to plants. Talk to them, give them water, and say thank you for the oxygen.
Yes. Thank you for listening to BBB's 5-Minute English. We hope you feel full of energy now.
See you next time. Bye.
Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I truly appreciate your support. Before you leave, please give this video a like and add it to your favorites. And if you'd like to keep learning together with me, don't forget to subscribe to BBB Learning English. See you in the next video.